Yay, today we're at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound, and I've got a cute little bamboo to show you. Let's do it. This ample kitchen overlooks the living space, and can you imagine designing it to make it all your own? In this 1,200 square foot house, you also have a guest space, a guest bath, and the laundry. This location is almost unheard of. See this location? For more information, just look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com.